In this video, we will discuss about what are the common sources of contamination of hydraulic fluid. So let's start with a question. Why do we need to know the common sources of contamination of hydraulic fluid? The answer to that question is hydraulic fluid contamination can cause damage to hydraulic system. So to deal with contamination, we need to know potential sources of contamination. So let's begin. The first source of contamination is due to improper storage of hydraulic fluid. If proper storage practices are not maintained, you might introduce foreign particles such as dust and moisture into the hydraulic fluid. The hydraulic fluid must be properly sealed. Even though you have capped or just putting a lid on the hydraulic fluid is not enough. Make sure that the lid is tightly sealed. If not sealed properly, there is a chance of contamination. Don't store hydraulic fluid outside or at hot places. The moisture can enter into tight spaces. The best way to eliminate storage related contamination is to store fluid at a controlled temperature. Lay the containers on their sides and always carefully seal fluids that are not in use. Second source of fluid contamination is during fluid transfer. Suppose a worker wants to fill the hydraulic fluid in the fluid tank of hydraulic system. When he opens the lid of hydraulic fluid, and if the surroundings are not controlled well, and if the surroundings are not clean, the fluid might get exposed to the outside atmosphere during transfer and handling. The moisture, dust, and even air enters the contaminate enters and contaminates the system. Also, if there are multiple hydraulic systems which use different type of hydraulic fluids, don't use same apparatus to fill fluid. Keep separate containers and apparatus for different fluids. To minimize the chances of contamination during fluid transfer, you can follow these steps. 1. Always flush the system before adding fresh fluid. 2. Do not open fluid in any area that is not clean. Controlled space is recommended. 3. Make sure that the hydraulic fluid is clean, or it is best to use filter to the to pour fluid in tank. 4. Don't expose the fluid to atmosphere when not in use. Take the fluid and seal tightly after use. Hydraulic fluid can also get contaminated during manufacturing process of hydraulic fluid itself. Here comes the third common hydraulic oil contamination, which is contamination during production process of fluid. First, you must know how your hydraulic fluid is manufactured. What are the industrial standards? Does they follow cleanliness code as per the ISO? The facilities that produce hydraulic fluid might introduce contamination during processing or maybe during mixing stage itself. If the facility is using machines that are outdated to produce hydraulic oil, you need to reconsider your purchase because modern machines have improved significantly and modern machines are very precise in micron or even nanoscale. That is why filtration of hydraulic fluid is very important because even a fresh sealed barrel of hydraulic fluid might already be contaminated if the company which produce this hydraulic fluid does not maintain proper standards. Another source of fluid contamination is built-in contaminant in the hydraulic system. During manufacturing process or assembly process of hydraulic machine, the dust or grease or maybe even chips may remain inside the hydraulic machine. While cutting gaskets or after assembling the casting part, some soil or dust particles may get introduced in the system. We can remove this contamination by flushing the system or by using filtration. Also, we need to change the filter regularly. Fluid contamination during service. It is possible that the fluid got contaminated during maintenance or repair of hydraulic machine. During service of machine, the worker usually checks for eroded components, rusting, scales, bearings, seals, or worn out components. The worker repairs the components or replaces new components if necessary. During the service, if proper precautions are not followed, the worker may accidentally introduce contaminants into the system. These contaminants remain in the system until they get filtered out. If you find any leaks in the machine, or if you want to service the machine, it's better to clean the exterior of the machine first. Drain the fluid, especially if the fluid is dirty. Put caps or clog the openings of the hydraulic system. All fittings and hoses should be kept safely. Don't open packaging of new packs until it is needed to install, because if the new parts are slipped from your hand, you may introduce contamination. Carefully service the machine. Assemble all the hoses and fittings. Flush the system and fill clean hydraulic fluid. Thanks for watching this video.